Alright, quick little video. Pretty much got all the blue off on one side, and I really like it like that. Looks really good. Some spots are a little bit harder than other spots, but for the most part it comes off very easily, especially up on top. I'm pretty sure the sun faded the paint, but it looks kind of cool. Looks really good. Let's see. Oh yeah, looks nicer. Oh, those dogs. Alright, let's see what the other side looks like. Haven't done the other side. You see that? That's the blue there. I started right there last week on the fender. Then I got busy with the exhaust. You see that big difference? I'm really impressed, really happy how it came out. So, oh, and I also took off the blue off the tailgate, the letters there. So I gotta continue with that. Gotta get the mirrors. Okay, so I gotta get the mirrors. The interior. Gotta get the what is that, dash pad? You see that it's all cracked. So I gotta get a dash pad and other small little details in the interior. But it ran awesome today. Oh, and by the way, the earlier from the earlier video, the smoke, it was just steam. It was just steam from the water trapped back there somewhere. That's all it was. So I got some good clearance. Taking off the inner fender wells, that really helped out for the clearance. So I got clearance. And yeah, a good height. I really like the height. So maybe, you know what, I'm thinking of getting a another steering wheel, the wood kind. I kind of like this one. It's got that vintage look, but I think I'm gonna get a wood steering wheel. I don't know, but I really want to get one. So dash pad, carpet. I mean, luckily these things are small, not too much going on. Door panels are fine. Oops. Headliner is fine. Maybe clean these up. Not too much going on in here. Oh, I missed this spot here. Gotta get the rest of that blue off. Oh, also I'm gonna get the I think I want to get the a single piece back window. I'm not a big fan of these that you can open them up and you see how it kind of sticks out. I want it flush, so I got to do that anyway because the rubber's messed up. This seal is gone, and this seal here is gone too. It's pretty cracked. Got to replace that. Took off the wipers today. Gives it a cleaner look. I don't need the wipers. I'm not going to be driving this thing in the rain anyway. It's just a weekend cruiser. That's all it is. Weekend cruiser. Yeah, I gotta get the rest of that blue. Alright. Gotta go on Amazon and order some mirrors. All in all, it was a productive day. Yeah, alright. Peace out.